In this short video, we're going to familiarize ourselves with a page of Talmud. We look at the top and there's some important information here. First of all, we are told that the name of this book, tractate, is called Brachot. Then to the right we have the number of the chapter. This is Perek Rishon, the first chapter. Here we have the name of the chapter, Me'ematai. The name of the chapter comes from the very first word of the Mishnah. Here on top also we have a letter that indicates the page. We use letters in Talmud to refer to the page numbers. So this is page Bet, page 2. Every Talmud, every tractate begins with page number 2. There is one dot to show that this is the first side of the page. The other side of the page will be Bet 2 dots, which is Bet side 2 or Bet side Bet. Now, this here is the main text, and the chapter always begins with a Mishnah, because as we learn in our introduction to the oral law, the Gemara is an explanation to the Mishnah. So before there could be any Gemara, there has to be a Mishnah. So Me'ematai is the beginning of the Mishnah. Me'ematai korin et Shema ve'arbin. Later we'll learn exactly what that means. But at this point, it's important to understand that this is the beginning of the Mishnah, and the Mishnah ends right over here. Because Gimel Mem with a little dash here is short for Gemara. This is where the Gemara begins to explain the Mishnah. Okay, so this is the main text, Mishnah, Gemara. Not every page contains a Mishnah, but every first page of the chapter always starts with a Mishnah, as we mentioned. Now on this side we have commentaries. Here's the commentary of Rashi. Okay, in bold you have the Dibur HaMathil, which we're familiar from Chumash. Those are the words that Rashi is going to explain. And here there's a different commentary called the Tosfot, which was written by Rashi's grandchildren. And then there's many other links and commentaries on the sides that with time will become acquainted to them.